Okay everybody, so the red rider is no longer red. We hit it with the 2-minute remover advanced, the ultimate paint and varnish remover by Sunnyside Quality Products since 1893. Not a sponsor, but their product works pretty good. So we rubbed this down and we got after that little red wagon we're going to use for our sidecar. We knocked all the paint off of them. I've still got to do the forks. I've done the first coat. And I don't see it bubbling. The paint that's on the red wagon is a different brand paint. Obviously that comes from the factory and it bubbled up. This didn't bubble, but we'll take a little pocket knife here and you can see it scratches off really easy. This has been drying for a minute, but it really helps take the paint off. Yeah, we're also using a wire wheel. Go ahead and give it a bump.
Fit this spot right in here.
Yeah. So after rubbing it down with that paint remover and a wire wheel, it comes off real well. So obviously we're going to put a little more work into this and get the forks finished, but that'll be in a minute. We've already done the frame. We did the little red wagon. It's just a bucket or a tub now. The tub is finishing drying. We prepped it with our TSP clean strip surface prep, and that degreased it and got it ready for paint. We're going to shoot that, and it's no longer going to be red like I said. We're using Krylon Fusion all-in-one gloss patriotic blue. Should be nice and pretty. Looks like a nice color. I'm going to go blue instead of red this time because that's what the store had. So blue it is. Anyways, as you can see from our frame, something else we changed. I grinded off the welds we had, putting the small bicycle gas tank on the front of it. We're going to go a different direction, put a gas tank on the back, go with a small seat right here in the middle, and I'll probably put a little diamond plate right here just to make it look nice and close this off because the motor sits right below there. Yeah, there it is. That'll look really sharp, especially the silver on the blue. I think it'll look real sharp.
Aluminum tank.
Yeah, real nice, lightweight, got a rubber seal to it. This little Amazon special. Check the description below. We'll have a link to it, and you can pick you up one if you like it. Yeah. All right, let's make it blue. Little red wagon, little blue wagon. Little blue wagon. That little blue wagon. Little blue wagon. All right, everybody. So, real quick before we do the handlebars, I just want to give you a side by side. I've already put our paint remover on here, but we haven't stripped it all yet. So, anyways. This is the farm implement red that we went with last time, and we have gold and red glitter on it. And anyways, that's what it looked like, and this is what it's going to look like. The glitter coats really made it look nice when it was clean, but as you can tell, she got dirty. And more texture to the paint, it took on dirt really easy. So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to go to the blue, keep it nice and sweet and simple. And this will be easier to touch up because this was a nightmare with it being such a special paint job. And this bike is to be ridden. It's not just a stick in the shed show bike. So we're going to stick with a nice, pretty easy to touch up blue. That's what it looks like. That's what it used to look like. I like that more better. Welcome back to the garage, everybody. So here's where we're at. We got all our big parts painted. We got the wheels done. I did forget about our wheel for the sidecar, but it's getting paint now. Only first coat. It needs more. The black didn't turn out perfect on the first coat. So anyways, another coat or two, that'll be good. And then we'll do the little blue ring we did on the other two rims, which I think turned out pretty good. They were red, and I shot them blue. Anyways, we got the sidecar and the frame done, and I stabbed the bolts in it. It's not cinched down just yet, but they're in there. Everything lines up. The wood boards that I used as a body lift is there, and come around this way, you can see it. So yeah, I know wood on this build is kind of like, why do you know that? But anyways, body lift, it works. Yeah. So that's bolted down. We got the frame over here, and I was starting to bolt it down. I was like, you know what? Rocky's right. Let's put the diamond plate floorboards on the frame before we put this, and put it underneath. It'll look a lot better. So I got it measured. I'm about to cut those out, do some drilling, and then I'll put them in place, drill them, and rivet that down. We'll have diamond plated floorboards. Also, I've got this is kind of end of project type project, but we're gonna put diamond plate up here to cover the engine, and I might install a cup holder on there because why not? Be super cool. Also, something Rocky did that's fantastic. We got our new seat, which, yeah, that's our seat. It's tiny, I know. What was this? 6? I don't know. It's like 9 inches across and like 5 inches wide. It's tiny. But if you look at the frame, it fits perfect. I mean, it is what it is. It's a tiny little thing. But we got some foam. I forgot where I got the foam, but it should work pretty good. I don't know if the camera's... Can you see that in the camera? Yeah. It's got a real nice pattern. She found some real nice... It's pleather. It's not real leather, but it'll work great for this. Anyways, we'll be putting that on here shortly, and then our stadium seat that we did for the sidecar got the same matching upholstery all the way around. Super nice. So that's gonna look real good. Anyways, we'll put that on here. That'll probably sit in there after the fact. I don't know. We'll see. But yes, that's where we're at. We're gonna get the diamond plate floorboards done, then we'll get this done, and we'll get it mounted up, and then we're gonna put the forks on, which they're dry. They're just hanging to be out of the way. And it's coming along nicely. Alright everybody, so it's coming together nicely. We still haven't put the motor in it yet, or our throttle, which is actually still attached to the old motor. But, come check this out. So we have our seat on. It's not bolted in just yet, but it is there. And this is what it's going to look like. As soon as it's bolted down, you won't know the difference. We got our seat here. Come see our floorboards. We have the diamond plated aluminum floorboards here and here. And even though, yeah, I'm really intending this for my son, it's big enough that my foot will fit in there. Kind of cool. And we're going to get our fuel tank bolted up here shortly. And we're going to add a little bit of diamond plate here just to cover the top of the engine. And then our special project, no? Well, it's got to be a cup holder. I think that'll be pretty cool. We're going to put a cup holder right here so when you're riding, you have your bottle of water or something with it. And then I'm also going to cut a cup holder probably right here. So right in front of the passenger, they got a little cup holder right there too. That'd be pretty sweet. So we got it rolling. The brakes work, sort of. I mean, it's a lot for a little drum brake, but we'll also put the band brake back in place because this is clutch driven, and I have a clutch brake on one and a drum on the other. But yeah, she's coming together, and I'm hoping to have it riding here, I don't know, a little after nightfall. And then we'll put some lights on and stuff too. I think I have some of the blue flashing lights that I like to use. See you in a little bit. Well, there it is, everybody. Introducing the Smurf. Well, we're not going to do the cup holder project because if you look underneath here, there's actually not enough room for the cup holder to sit nice and flat. So I'm going to delete that from the project, but the rest of it turned out pretty great. We have a headlight now, and there's also a brake light, and we have some underglow running lights, which would be really nice whenever you get late in the evening. And the rest of it runs as great as it ever did. We have our Predator 79cc 3-horse motor, which has done a fantastic job with this bike. Been riding it, what, 2 years now, something like that. And it's been a great little motor. It moves me just fine. So we're going to keep that in it for now. And we've same brake system, same everything. We just basically repainted it, added the floorboards and the sidecar kit, and changed up our seating position. And I think it looks fantastic. I'm super excited about this one. It's gonna be a lot of fun to ride. We're gonna take it to the Go Power Sports 180. The GPS 180 race is gonna be our tool car. So we'll be throwing our gas can and tools and water bottle cooler. We'll take it over to the race line, and this will be what we use to haul it back and forth. I think it'll be super nice. Come on in and check out some of the new things we added. So you can see the brake lights here and our fuel tank. We took, this is rubber from a bicycle tire inner tube. I just cut it and used that as a nice buffer to protect the fuel tank. Let's see, we had to swap our muffler. This is a lawnmower muffler, but we had the old biscuit muffler on here. It didn't quite fit with the tank, so this more of a hot dog style. Fits good and it sounds great. Let's see, we added diamond plating here, here, and here. Plenty of decals all the way around. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, consider supporting us on Patreon and checking out more of our future projects. We'll see you next time. Bye.